If your phone won't charge or connect in your Nissan Pathfinder, it's probably the USB port acting up. Here's how to get it working again in just a few minutes. So, what's going on with your USB port? First things first, make sure your cable isn't the real problem. Try a different USB cable and see if that solves it. Still not working? Check if there's any dust or debris inside the port and gently clean it out with a toothpick or a can of air. Next, turn your Pathfinder completely off, wait a minute, then start it up again. Sometimes the car just needs a quick reset. If you're plugging in a phone, make sure it's unlocked and using a compatible cable. Some ports only support charging, not data, so try switching to another USB port if you have one. Still stuck? Check your car's infotainment system for software updates or look for a USB or media option in the menu. Sometimes you just need to reselect the USB source, and if nothing's working, it might be time to visit your local Nissan dealer. Most USB issues are simple, but a pro can spot deeper problems fast. There you go. Easy ways to get your Nissan Pathfinder's USB port back in business. Thanks for watching.